How to add customers' product reviews on Shopify. Quick tutorial. Hey guys, welcome back. In this video, I'll be showing you guys how you can add product reviews on your Shopify store. So let's get into it. Now, Shopify natively does not have a review section built in, so we're going to be using an application called Judge Me to be able to add reviews onto our products. So taking this sample product over here, you guys can see there are no review sections. Now we're going to get started by adding reviews. Now there are two types of reviews you can have. First off is your native reviews that people are going to give you. Then you can even import reviews from AliExpress. If you are using AliExpress products or sourcing products from AliExpress, you can import those reviews onto your Shopify store as well. Now to be able to do all of this, simply head on over to your Shopify store dashboard. Once you have opened up your Shopify store dashboard, click on Settings on the bottom left, and then click on Apps and Sales Channels. Once you click on that, click on Shopify App Store on the top right. Once you click on your Shopify App Store, you want to search for Judge Me over here. Once you search for Judge Me has three applications that you're going to be able to see. So the first one that you want to use is Judge Me Product Reviews, which is the primary application that creates a review section. So you can build your own review section directly into your Shopify store. Simply click on Install over here. And once you click on Install, you'll be led back to your Shopify dashboard installation page. From here, you want to click on Install Application. And once you install your application, you can get started with integrating Judge Me reviews. So I like to pin it to my navigation on the left panel over here, and you want to just click on Start Setup. Once you do that, click on Enable App Embed, and once you click on Enable App Embed, on the top left, you will see the App Embed option on the Shopify website or template editor. Now, make sure that Judge Me Reviews has been turned on, so it has been turned on. Now I can go back into our original tab and click on Next Step. Once you click on Next Step, you're going to click on Install Review Widget to be able to add the review widget to our Shopify dashboard. So to be able to do this, you're going to open up the product and it will show the review widget has been added in the app section. So I'm just going to delete all of the extra app section because I don't need 3 app section. And then in the final app section right below the template information. So in your template, first off, you just have your product information. And below that, we have a simple app section added. If you don't have one, just click on Add section. And then what you're going to do is you're going to click on Apps over here and click on Review Widget because that is what we want to add. Now, you also have options of review carousels, review text, but I like to add the review widget first to be able to integrate our reviews. So I'm going to place this right below our product information. Sometimes the preview is going to lag behind a little, so just save it on the top right and go back to your Judge Me Review widget. Click on Next Step over here and click on Install Preview Badge. Now this will open up the preview badge, and there are multiple different types of widgets in Judge Me that you can integrate, but just wait a couple of seconds for the review widget to be added. Now you will see star ratings will be added to your product information, and I usually like to move this just simply by doing a left click. I like to move this right below my title section. Simply click on Save on the top right, and once you have completed this, click on Finish. Now once you've clicked on Finish, we can go back into our product to see if the review widgets are showing up. If they're still not showing up, it's alright. It can take a couple of seconds for the application to sync up. Now, in the meanwhile, I like to customize the appearance of our widgets because for different brands and different stores, you might want to use different color schemes and more. So to be able to do that, you have a few different settings. First off, you have your Manage Reviews and Collect Reviews sections. However, to be able to customize your review widget, you're going to click on the Widget section. Once you click on the Widget section, you can choose which one you want to customize. So first off, we've added our review widgets and the star rating badge. Below that, you have some other review sections as well, but we're only going to be editing the ones we've added. So I'm going to click on the review widget over here, and from here, if you scroll down, you have the color options. In these color options, you can click on the color and it will open up the color wheel for you, and you can choose any color that you like. So let's say I want to go for a pink color, so I can add pink over here. Or if I want to go for a blue color, I can add navy blues over here. Now, after that, you have your star color, which I'm going to keep as yellow. And then after that, if you scroll down, you have photo and video options. So whether or not your customers should be able to upload photos or videos. Let's say I only want my customers to allow photos, so I can leave this option ticked. However, by default, this is already ticked. However, if you only want word-based reviews, so you don't want any photos, you can uncheck this option so customers can only upload word reviews. Below that, you also have a media grid, which we're not going to integrate. And then if you scroll down, you have the review source that can show whether or not the reviews meet the standard criteria set by Judge Me. Now, once you've completed this, you can go into the marketing and social section. We're going to make sure we save on the top right first. And then you can go into your marketing and social section to be able to promote your products and integrate these review widgets into your day-to-day promotion. So as you guys can see, you have your marketing and social section. And after you go into marketing and socials, on the top, you will find a panel where you have referral options, coupon options, review pages, UGC, social push, and some other options such as Google Shopping and SEO-rich snippets. Below that, you have your general settings, so the date formats, the location that should be used, as well as the branding, integrations, and notifications. Now, once we've collected or once we have customized our Judge Me review widget, we're going to go back into our online store to see if our review widget is currently functional. So as you guys can see over here, the stars are showing up on our product. And if I take a look at some of our other products over here, I go into our all product section and go into our sample product that we created. I'm taking a look at some of the other products. Now, all of these products haven't been synced up already. So what I'm going to do is I am going to click on our manage reviews section. And as you guys can see, these are some of the reviews. So I'm just going to publish these reviews into our tote bag. And now let's take a look whether or not they're going to show up on the review widget. So if the review widget is not showing up still, click on the online store and themes. Once you're in your themes, click on customize. Once you click on customize, open up any particular product. So we're going to open up this tote bag. And after you do that, just scroll down and go into your ad app section and click on add block. Add the review widget over here. And now our review widget is functional, and I'm just going to click on save over here. And let's go ahead and just go into the default product and scroll down. And now it's been added to all of our products. And now let's go on ahead and refresh our Shopify store. So now, as you guys can see, the review widget has been added and customers can write more reviews and also give a star rating to our product as well. So in this way, you can add customer reviews onto your Shopify product pages. Now, if you want to add this to your all product section, there are different types of items on Judge Me. So if you want to maybe add something like a different product review, you can go into the Judge Me application. And as you guys can see over here, you can go into your review dashboard, or let's say we want to add maybe like a carousel. So what we're going to do is we are going to click on collect reviews, and let's say we want to maybe integrate it into this particular page. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to go into our online store, and once we go into our online store, we can click on customize, open up your all product section. So I'm just going to go into the all product section over here. So just open up that particular page. And over here, what we're going to do is we are going to click on add section, click on applications, and then maybe you want to add a reviews carousel. Once you add your review carousel, you can place it wherever you want. So you guys can see at the bottom of our all products, we have a review carousel, which can display reviews for multiple different types of products. You can customize the width and sizing of your particular carousel as well as customize some of the other settings within Judge Me as well. So I hope you guys found this video helpful. If you did, make sure to leave a like and subscribe.